So I haven't posted a video in a while. That's primarily because it's winter here in New York, and things get kind of slow around here. We do try to stay busy though, so I'll show you around the shop and see what I'm up to.
Update.
Here's a little room I built. This is just the corner of the garage. I sort of enclosed it. I've wanted to do this for a while, to set up the machine tools. And the reason I did that, you might be wondering why the hell did I do that? Because I did that because the garage part is not heated. We're poor, so we can't just spend the money to heat the garage, and it's not even insulated, so it's you gotta do what you gotta do. This is what I had to do. This is basically all I have for tools in here is just a couple drill presses, vertical mill, and a horizontal lathe. They're pretty much those things. Could probably do without the mill, but the lathe is mandatory. I gotta have one of those. Also spent some time and organized. Got some other bits, which makes a big difference. So this thing is actually not finished yet either. I still gotta put a door on. Right now it's just this tarp, which actually works amazingly well. It's working, but it'd be nice to enter like a civilized person and have a door instead of. But we'll show you some of the other stuff we got going on in the garage.
Potential
projects. Future projects and current projects. This is a little project I'm working on. A friend of mine in Lansing owns this. It's a 53 Chevy car, which we converted to the back to pickup truck. Pretty much I added the metalwork back here, added a floor, and just seamed in the back of a bed and a tailgate onto an already existing car. We put a 327 small block Chevy with triple carburetors, and then added a DeSoto 1955 DeSoto grill on the front of it. But just little jobs like this I do. I've owned this car since I was 15, and you've probably seen it in some of the other videos. It's just been in the back. I've been working on it recently and hopefully get it finished for the summer, which would be nice to drive it finally. Started out as a 1938 Dodge, and I bought it when I was 15 on the side of the road for $320, and it was in terrible condition like they always are. But since then, I chopped the top 4 inches, I sectioned 7 inches out of the body, basically just raised the bottom of the car up because it was rusted all to hell underneath of it. So basically just cut it to where it was not rusted and then built the floor. Put a 355 small block Chevy in it with a T5 5-speed transmission. It's got some great exhaust on it. That's 5-inch stainless steel pipe, and then I have some stainless steel muffler inserts that go inside of here. Inside is pretty simple. I managed to keep the original dash, which is cool. Yeah, so still got stuff to do. Yeah, that's about all we got there. You'll see more of this in another video probably. So like, subscribe to our channel, and you can follow along. This engine here just pulled out of a Geo Tracker, which you may have seen in some of our other videos as a target, but this I'm hoping to use for the next amphibious build project, because it's an all aluminum engine, which is super lightweight and it's pretty good power. This transfer case and transmission I'm going to be modifying a little bit. I'm going to take it apart and see if I can work with it. Hopefully it'll work. You don't know. We'll see. Hopefully we can get a decent working amphibious car out of this whole operation here at some point. Keep trying.
So you're going away for a little while.
So I'm going away for a little while. Thought I'd give you a tour of the shop before I left. I'm going to jail. I'm going to be gone for a month. Going to Chicago, Illinois, Rockford, and then Los Angeles, and then Hawaii, and then New Zealand. Yeah, so it's nice to get out of the shop a little bit.
Yeah, escape the winter.
Yeah, escape the winter. It'll be February.
Yeah, and you're gonna be coming back and you're gonna be working on some projects.
Yep. This is going to be a good year. We're going to have some great projects coming together, and I think it's going to be really fun. And I don't know, before I leave or as soon as I get back, I'm going to take the houseboat out again on the ice and see how it does. I think it'd be a lot of fun. As long as we got a heater in it, gotta have that. So stay tuned.
Heck yeah, good times.